Hello, I'm Hamish and I'm here with Team Delta to introduce Let's Meet, the collaborative meeting organiser. The idea for Let's Meet came from our very first meeting, when we actually had quite some difficulties trying to work out when we could meet. And we thought there must be a better way of doing this. And after some research, it turned out that there wasn't. And we thought, well, why don't we make it? And that's where the idea came from.
The simplest way to interact with Let's Meet is through the web interface. It is accessible on any device, from mobile phones to desktops, and tested on a wide variety of browsers. Before creating your first meet, you must first create a Let's Meet account. Just provide your name, email, and a password. After logging in, you can visit your dashboard, which shows all of your events, plus the invitations you have to other people's. From here, you can create your first event.
We've made it really easy to create an event. Simply tell us roughly where you want to meet and the times that you'll be available, and then send an invite to everyone else.
When selecting your location, a handy user interface will show you exactly what you're selecting and guide you through the process. This location defines the outer bounds for your event, and all of your participants are free to suggest locations inside this that suit their preferences. Times are selected from a calendar-based interface and once again define the outer bounds for when your participants can suggest their own availability. You can suggest as many time ranges as you like. You can also provide a list of facilities which the ideal venue would have, allowing Let's Meet to find this for you. You can also poll participants for anything that doesn't fit naturally into any of the previous categories. You are now ready to share your event with all of your participants. Participants do not need a Let's Meet account, simply provide their email address and we'll handle the rest. You can even invite users with their Let's Meet ID. Your participants will be sent an email with instructions on how to respond.
Once your participants have received this invitation, they are able to log on to Let's Meet themselves and respond to your event. This allows them to input their own location, date and time ranges, and any facilities they would suggest to include. Also during this process, they can respond to any polls you may have started.
Guests will be asked for a name to help identify them, and after completing the form, they'll be given the opportunity to upgrade to a full account.
As the event host, you can see which of your participants have responded and who you're still waiting on. Once you have the perfect number of responses, you can finalize the details for your event. Our Let's Meet algorithm will help with this, suggesting the best dates and times using the data submitted by your participants. You can also adjust the minimum attendance rate and duration in order to find the perfect setting for your event. Once this is sorted, you need to find the location for your event. Once you have a radius, Let's Meet can suggest venues for you, perfectly suited to your needs. You can then see the facilities these venues offer and select the ideal one for your event. Once you have all this information, you're ready to confirm your event, and Let's Meet will send out an official confirmation to all of your participants.
Invitations even include an event which can be added straight to your calendar.
Let's Meet is not just for meeting organisers, it allows for business owners to register venues they own for people to see when arranging a meeting. Multiple users can be added to a business, granting them permission to edit and create venues. When registering a venue, the open times, location and facilities can all be set, so users can filter venues when searching for their ideal meeting place. Venues can be viewed by any user using the Let's Meet platform.
Let's Meet also allows you to synchronize your Let's Meet events that have a date time to your Google Calendar. Simply click the Authorize button, sign in with your Google account through the OAuth process, allow permissions, and then click the Sync button. You should find that your Let's Meet events are now in your Google Calendar. Additionally, Let's Meet supports multiple languages. Here is Let's Meet in Russian.
We've already built a really interesting platform that's proven to work, but we're still excited to take it further, from rich integrations with the services you already use through to better support for online events. These are all things that we have in mind. For now though, we're really excited to get Let's Meet into your hands and to start getting some feedback from real-world users. So from myself and everyone else on Team Delta, we're really proud to introduce Let's Meet, the collaborative meeting organiser that helps you focus on what matters.